Hello students, in this section we are going to solve two problems on the single and multiple step income statement. So let's first read the problem. The problem number 1, it is showing the single and multiple step income statement. Let's read the problem first. The trial balance of Lakewood Incorporation included the following accounts as of December 31st, 2018. So now we can see that there are debits and credits, sales revenue, interest revenue, gain on sale of investments, cost of goods sold, selling expenses, write-off of obsolete equipment, interest expense, general and administrative expenses, and the other information. The Lakewood Incorporation had 100,000 shares of stock outstanding throughout the year. Income tax expense has not yet been accrued. The effective tax rate is 30%. And here we are required to prepare the single and multiple step income statement, as well as we need to calculate the earnings per share. Okay, so let's start. Here is the solution template. So the first one is single step. Okay, so for the single step, we know that we just need to sum up all the revenues and gains, and then we will subtract all the expenses and losses. Okay, so first one, revenues and gains. So let's see what we have. The revenues and gains, I think we can, okay, bold it. And so we have sales revenue. You can see from here sales revenue is 1,800,000. Okay, then we have gain on sale of investments. Gain on sale of investment, which is 1,100,000. No, sorry, which is 80,000. No, which is 50,000. Okay, 80,000 is our. Which is 50,000. 80,000 is interest revenue, and then interest revenue, which is 80,000. Okay, so this is our total. This is our total revenues and gains. So what we can do, this one plus this plus this. So we have total revenues and gains. Okay, and what we can do here, we can just use the underline. Then expenses and losses. Sometimes we may not have losses. Okay, so expenses and losses. What do we have? Expense, cost of goods sold is an expense. So cost of goods sold. The cost of goods sold is 1,100,000. Then we have selling expenses. Selling expenses is 220,000. Then we have general and administrative expense, right, which is 200,000. Then we have interest expense. Interest expense, which is 40,000. Then we have write-off of obsolete equipment, that is 30,000. Okay, so these are the total expenses we have. So total expenses, it will be equal to, so this one plus this plus so let's see the underline. So this is the total expenses we have. Okay, So after subtracting this total expense from revenue, this revenue minus what is that? No. Actually, this is gonna be revenue. Revenue is our D8, okay? Minus it is D15, okay? So D15, okay? So this is our income before income taxes, okay? So now we know that our income tax expense, which is 30%, 30% of total income. So 30% of 340, it should be equal to 30% of, oh, okay, let's calculate this over here. So equal to 340, sorry, multiplied by 0.3. No. So the problem, I think the problem is in the comma. The problem is like 340, okay, multiplied by 1. Okay, so we have now 102. This is the total income taxes. So underline. So let's subtract this income tax from our. This is our D16. Okay, so D60 minus our income tax is D17. So 238,000. Okay, this is the closing. So this is our net income. Okay, and now we'll be calculating the earnings per share, which is EPS. It should be equal to total earnings, that is 238,000 divided by number of shares outstanding, which is 100,000. Okay, so this is our earnings per share. So hello students, today here, okay, we have just solved the single step income statement. Okay, I hope you all have understood these solutions. Okay, so we will be solving the same problem in multiple step income statement.